Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing this new pair of Timberland boots that I got from Foot Asylum. I ordered them to the store and I just got back after picking them up. I'll show you on the side. You have the name of the type of boot, the Euro Trekker Super OX, Blackout Nubuck. You have the size and just a standard box. That's the only information on the box. My lighting is a bit bad, but I will try and get like an on feet for the end of the video with some better lighting. And here is the first one. The pair of Timberlands that I use at work at the moment, they're really kind of worn in and done, and just went for another similar model. These are not the exact same as what I had before, but they're very similar, and they lasted like 2 years in the job that I'm in. That's really good. Okay, cat, come on. And it says it's a 10 and a half, but I did order a 10, so I'm not sure why that is. I mean, I'll try these out. I might have to go back up to the store with them, unfortunately, but I thought maybe that was just an error on the box. Sometimes you get the box with the wrong size. Come on, come on. And here is the second one. They feel awesome. A little bit annoyed there they've got the wrong size, because I think these might be a little too big, but we'll go ahead and try them on. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope everybody appreciates the Dragon Ball socks. Try and get a good look at the boot. Super comfy.